Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Look at these miniature unboxing videos are absolutely taking over social media right now. And here's the best part. It's not only miniature cars, miniature motorcycles, military helicopters, construction vehicles, and all kinds of tiny machines are getting millions of views using this exact style of content. Just take a look at this Instagram page. It has already gained more than 16,000 followers simply by posting these miniature unboxing videos, and one of its most popular uploads has already reached over 7.8 million views. It's safe to say people simply can't stop watching tiny objects come out of tiny boxes. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create videos like these completely free. So let's jump right into it. First, I've prepared a master prompt for you, and you'll find the link in the description. Trust me, this master prompt does nearly all of the work for you. Once you've got it, copy the entire prompt. Next, open Claude AI. If you'd rather use ChatGPT, that works perfectly fine too. Paste the master prompt into the chat box and press send. Within a few seconds, AI will generate 10 miniature unboxing ideas for you to choose from. And if none of them stand out, don't worry. Just type more and it'll instantly generate another batch of fresh ideas. You can repeat this as many times as you want until you find one you really love. For this tutorial, I'm selecting idea number 6. So I simply type 6 into the chat box and hit send. Instantly, it will generate a highly detailed video prompt that's specifically crafted to produce a premium quality miniature unboxing video. Now copy the entire video prompt carefully because we'll use it in the next step. Once you've copied everything, open Google Flow AI. After you're inside, switch over to video generation mode and choose the Omni Flash video model. Now paste your video prompt into the prompt box and click generate. Wait for about a minute and just like that, your video is ready. Now, have a look. Our unboxing turned out absolutely amazing. The tiny details, realistic lighting, smooth camera movement, and overall presentation look exactly the way we wanted. Honestly, it's hard to believe something this impressive was created in only about a minute. Now, download the video in the highest quality available because we're going to generate another one. Simply paste a different video prompt into the prompt box and click generate again. Wait another minute. And our second video is ready. Now, take a look at this miniature military helicopter unboxing. This one looks even more impressive. The fine details are crisp, the unboxing sequence is incredibly satisfying, and the overall quality is exactly the kind of content that performs well across short-form platforms. Go ahead and download this one as well in the highest resolution available. And that's the complete workflow. Using this exact method, you can create miniature car unboxing videos, miniature bike unboxing videos, military helicopter unboxings, construction vehicle unboxings, and countless other miniature machine videos. The possibilities are practically endless. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss the next video or content opportunity. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.